BrainGenie is a program for math and science practice. To get to the BrainGenie site, you will go to the web address braingenie.ck12.org. Once at the site, if you already have an account, and for Marion local teachers, I have already created accounts for you, you will go to the upper right hand corner and click Sign In and enter the username and password that I will email to you or give to you. But right now I'm signing in as a pretend teacher, and I will enter my email address and my password and click Sign In. At the initial screen, if you have never used BrainGenie before, the first thing you should do is click on your name in the upper left hand corner and verify the information. You can give yourself a username so you do not always have to enter the full email address. So I'll enter a username and save those profile changes, and it will tell you if the settings are successful or not. And most important is you should change the original password and give yourself a new secure password. Once you've entered your current password and the new password twice, click Change Password, and it will tell you if the password was saved successfully. Next, click on Home to go back to your home screen. With your password changed, you can now start creating classes for your math and science students. To do that, just click on New Class and enter a class name and click Create Class. All students in grades K through 8 at Marion Local have already been added to BrainGenie. They will have usernames and passwords that you will be given later on. To get your first period students on your class roster, have the students log in and then click Join Class and enter this passcode right here. It says if your student already has a BrainGenie account, he or she can join the class by entering the code, and then it will list the code that you will give to your students. I'm now going to log off as teacher Mr. John Wayne and log in as a student that needs to sign in to this class. I'm now logged in as a student, Freddie Flyer, and I am in Mr. John Wayne's first period math class, and he has just told us to join. I come down and click Join Class, and I enter the code provided by the teacher and click Join Class. I am now in Mr. John Wayne's class. I'll log off as Freddie and log in as the teacher again to show you how that looks. Back at Mr. John Wayne's first period math course, I can click on the roster and I can see that Freddie Flyer has in fact joined my class. I can edit this student. If the student would forget their password, I can come in and change that information for them. And that is how you log into BrainGenie and start creating classes and having students join your classes.